Right students, so today we discuss about the modulus of a complex number. So z equal to x plus 7, z equal to x plus 7, modulus of a complex number, mod z equal to mod of x plus iy, that equal to square root of x square plus y square. Mod of x plus iy equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is the modulus of a complex number. But geometrically what it means? Let us see this one. X axis, y axis, origin. This is the complex number z equal to x plus iy. What we know? Every complex number can be put in the form of a point p of x comma y. What is the distance from origin to the point? OP. What is the distance OP? Square root of. This is the origin 0, 0. X square plus y square. That means mod z is geometrically what it means? The distance from origin to a point. Mod z means the distance from origin to a point. So geometrically what mod z is? Geometrically mod z is the distance of a point, distance of a point from origin, distance of a point from origin. That is the modulus of a complex number, mod z. This mod z we can denote as r. R means the distance, mod z, that equal to OP, that equal to square root of x square plus y square. Okay, right. Next, see the properties. The first point, mod z, that is the mod of x plus iy, that equal to square root of x square plus y square, that equal to mod of minus z, that equal to mod of z bar, that equal to mod of minus z bar. Same thing. So mod of minus z, same thing. So that is the square root of x square plus y square. Right. The next point. It's very important one. Mod z is square root of x square plus y square. That is the mod z. This squares, so root over something, this is always greater than or equal to 0. So mod z is always greater than or equal to 0. And third point, mod z equal to 0. When it will happen? Mod z equal to 0 means square root of x square plus y square equal to 0. Third place, x square plus y square equal to 0. What is the x square plus y square equal to 0 means? Sum of the squares is 0. What is the third place? X equal to 0, comma y equal to 0. x0, y0, what it means? So that implies z equal to 0. Right. Next, the fourth point, z bar, z into z bar, very important one. We use this frequently. Z bar. What is the z bar? X plus iy into x minus iy. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square y I square. That is nothing but x square plus y square. What is the x square plus y square now? Mod z. Square that one. So z bar is equal to mod z square. So whenever mod z square is there, we can take it as the z bar. So z bar is the mod z square. Okay. Right students. Next, fifth one, mod of z1 z2 is equal to mod z1 into mod z2. In general, mod of z1 z2 and so on Zn is equal to mod Z1, mod Z2 and so on. Mod of Zn. So that is the in general. Next is mod of Z1 by Z2 is also, we can write it as mod Z1 by mod Z2. These are the very useful in problems. Next one. See the next one. So we can write this relation like this. X is less than or equal to square root of x square plus y square. Suppose y is 0. Root over x square plus 0. Root over x square is x. X less than or equal to x wholes. In other cases, x is less than square root of x square plus y square. What is this meaning is real part of z is less than or equal to mod z. Similarly, y less than or equal to square root of x square plus y square. That means imaginary part of z less than or equal to mod z. Okay? And the next one. This is the triangle inequality. Mod of z1 plus z2 is always less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Sum of the two sides is always less than the third side. So always less than wholes. Whenever the equality holds, that means they lie on the same line. Those are collinear points. Okay? In triangle inequality, always less than wholes. If the equality holds means they lie on the same line. They are collinear points. Next one. Mod of z1 plus z2 whole square equal to mod z1 square plus mod z2 square plus 2 times real part of z1 z2 bar. Let us see this one. See the proof of this one. Mod of z1 plus z2 whole square. Just now we used the property mod z square equal to z bar. Mod z square equal to z bar. What is this one? A plus b whole square. So mod z square equal to z bar. z1 plus z2 into z1 plus z2 whole bar z bar, that equal to z1 plus z2 into z1 bar plus z2 bar. Now multiply this z1 bar plus z1 z2 bar plus z2 z1 bar plus z2 z2 bar. What is the z1 bar? Mod z1 square plus this one is the z1 z2 bar plus z2 z1 bar plus z2 z2 bar is mod z2 square. Okay, right. Now how you write this one? See this one. This is the z1 z2 bar. Take the conjugate of this one. That is nothing but this one. In the properties, z plus z bar is equal to twice real part of z. See this one. Mod z1 square plus mod z2 square plus z1 z2 bar plus z1 z2 bar whole bar. That is the z plus z bar. What is the z plus z bar? Twice real part of z. Mod z1 square plus mod z2 square plus twice real part of z1 z2 bar. Twice real part of z1 z2 bar. So that is the proof. So mod of z1 plus z2 whole square equal to mod z1 square plus mod z2 square plus twice real part of z1 z2 bar. Right? Similarly, we can write the property mod of z1 minus z2 whole square equal to mod z1 square plus mod z2 square minus twice real part of z1 z2 bar, twice real part of z1 z2 bar. And the next one, add these two, this one and this one. Mod of z1 plus z2 whole square plus mod of z1 minus z2 whole square is equal to twice mod z1 square plus mod z2 square. So these are the properties of modulus of a complex numbers. Right students, now see these problems on the modulus. What are they given? If 1 minus I into 1 minus 2i and so on 1 minus ni equal to x minus iy. Now we have to show the distance. See the solution of this. What they given? 1 minus I into 1 minus 2i and so on 1 minus n equal to x minus iy. Take modulus. Taking modulus on both sides. Modulus on both sides. Mod of 1 minus I into 1 minus 2i and so on 1 minus n equal to mod of x minus I. So mod of z1 z2 and so on zn. What is this equal to? Mod of 1 minus I, mod of 1 minus 2i and so on 1 minus n equal to mod of x minus iy. What is the mod of x minus iy? Square root of x square plus minus y whole square. That is x square plus y square. What is this value? Square root of 1 plus 1. What is this value? Square root of 1 plus 4 and so on square root of 1 plus n square, that equal to square root of x square plus y square. What is the value? Root 2 into root 5 into and so on square root of 1 plus n square equal to square root of x square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides, what we get? 2 into 5 into 10 and so on 1 plus n square equal to x square plus y square. That is the answer. So 2 into 5 into 10 and so on 1 plus n square equal to x square plus y square. Now see this one. How you apply the property? See this one. So what they given? Root 3 plus I whole power 100 equal to 2 power 99 into a plus ib. Now also take modulus on both sides. Taking modulus on both sides. What will happen? Mod of root 3 plus I whole power 100 equal to mod of 2 power 99 into a plus ib. 2 power 99 into a plus ib. What is the mod of z power n? See, mod of z power n equal to mod z whole power n. See this one? Current place mod of root 3 plus I whole power 100 equal to 2 power 99 into mod of a plus ib. What is the mod of root 3 plus I? Square root of root 3 whole square plus 1 square whole to the power 100 equal to 2 power 99 into square root of a square plus b square. What is this implies? Square root of root 3 whole square 3. 3 plus 1 4. What is the root 4? 2. 2 power 100 equal to 2 power 99 into square root of a square plus b square. Now cancel this one. 2 equal to square root of a square plus b square. 2 power 99, 2 power 100. 2 times. So 2 equal to this one. Now squaring on both sides. A square plus b square is equal to 4. a square plus b square equal to 4. That is the solution of the equation. And see the property mod of z power n equal to mod z whole power n. Let it be the 12th property. Note down this one. Right. Right, students, see this problem. If z2 by z1 is purely imaginary, then find mod of 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2. See this one. What they given? z2 by z2. z2 by z1 is imaginary or purely imaginary. Is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary. What is that implies? z2 by z1 is equal to some k. z2 by z1 equal to ki. That means that is the purely imaginary. Now what they given? Mod of 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2. See, now what they are asking? z2 by z1 we want. That means you have to take the z1 common. Now take z1 common, that is equal to, take z1 common, 2 plus z2 by z1 by, take z1 common, 2 minus z2 by z1, that is equal to, what is the property? We are using the property mod of z1 by z2 is equal to mod z1 by mod z2. What is the mod z1? Mod of z1 into 2 plus z2 by z1 whole by mod of z1 into 2 minus z2 by z1. So that is equal to, what is the numerator? Mod of z1 z2 is mod z1 mod z2. That is equal to mod z1 into mod of 2 plus z2 by z1 by mod z1 into mod of 2 minus z2 by z1. So mod z1 cancel. What is that equal to? Mod of 2 plus, what is the z2 by z1? Ki whole by mod of 2 minus ki. What is mod of 2 plus ki? That is square root of 2 square 4 plus k square whole by square root of 4 plus k square. This cancel, that is equal to 1. So the value of this one is the answer is 1. So this is the way to solve this problem. Whenever they are giving the z2 by z1 is purely imaginary, you have to take like this ki. Suppose they are giving z2 by z1 is purely real, so just k, right?